Hey y'all, it's Cass. Welcome back to my channel if you're OG. Welcome to my channel if you're new. I'm so excited because today we have a DIY iPhone photo shoot idea video. I'm going to throw at you guys several DIY iPhone photo shoots that you can do from the comfort of your own home. I hope you guys enjoyed this shoot. If you didn't see, I'm also hosting a 30-day create challenge, so you guys can utilize any of these ideas within the challenge if you choose to join. It's just a challenge to get you into the habit of creating consistent content. You don't have to post everything you create, and we're not creating the full 30 days. I built in some rest, reflect, and planning days. So hope you guys join in. If you want more details, check out my last YouTube shorts. You can check out my Instagram, my TikTok, my community posts, all that for more details. Hope you guys join in. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get it. Hope you guys enjoyed those ideas for DIY shoots that you can do straight from your iPhone, and I hope you guys try some of them out. Let me know, hashtag, tag me, whatever you want to do. I almost fell on the camera. Your girl's out.